honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. Today's video, we're going to talk hair. I am in the infamous pink robe, so you know it's a hair video. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you're new here, my name is Jessica. I make Mommy Monday videos. I do hair tutorials, and I talk about luxury goods. If that's something that interests you, definitely subscribe to my channel or give this video a thumbs up if you're going through the same experience or if you learned anything. Yeah, and I don't want to forget about those people who are already subscribers. Thank you so much for tuning in this video. Welcome back, and let's get into it. Guys, excuse me if I'm sweating. I don't know if it can show up on video, but I have my air conditioner off, and here in New Jersey, it's like 90 degrees because I'm trying to film this video, and I don't want the air going in the background, the noise. I want you to hear me clear. I'm trying to give you a quality video here, but yeah, excuse me if I'm sweating because it is hot. Yes, hot. I would say the video that I did on my silk press, going back and looking at that video made me make this decision. I think the look turned out great. So if you're interested in seeing how I silk pressed my hair and I added in my micro bead techniques, definitely check that video out. It turned out really beautiful. It's for my birthday, and I still get compliments on those pictures and that video to this day. But for me, my hair has really been a challenge and an insecurity of mine for a while. Taking that I have not taken good care of it, you know, and to be honest, I have a really busy life. I have 2 young babies, Julia and Gabriel. They're both under 4 years old. And sometimes I don't have a lot of time to dedicate to myself, but with a lot of things that take place, you know, this year, I've realized that I need to take that time out for myself. And so that's why I made this decision. But looking at that video, I was like, oh my God, girl, your hair is dead. It's done. Like, let's just start all over. Let's just put it in a grave. Get rid of it. Like, and I'm that type of person, once I like kind of make a decision like this, I'm like, I want to do it today. I'm jumping in. Let's do it. Let's do it. I was a little afraid because, you know, I do have a husband, and I don't know how he would take to the new look, because when we got married, when he met me, I was, you know, this type of girl, you know, and I did a big chop. And I am doing protective styles like this, which is a lace front wig. I will link it below if you're interested. It's not looking too great right now because I didn't curl it. I just said, honey, I'm about to jump on and let you guys know what I did. I did a big chop to my hair. I cut off all my relaxer. I have been putting heat in my hair. I've been doing the micro beads, which just really thinned out my hair a lot. I just wanted to make that disclaimer. It's a really great technique. I love it. But I've gotten it done professionally. I've done it myself, and it's just too much on my hair. Taking that, my hair isn't as strong as it needs to be anyway, and I don't do all the things that I need to do, like the deep conditioning, the mask, and really oiling it and keeping it moisturized like I should. So that's on me, you know. But I'm changing that. I'm going on a healthy hair journey. Everybody and their grandmother's going on a healthy hair journey. But yeah, I need one. I need a healthy hair journey. Because this year I'm turning 36, and I gotta get my hair together, honey. I gotta be out here like whipping my own hair sometimes. You know, I gotta be able to be versatile like that. I can't be always the girl that's got some bundles in her hair or a wig or something. That's my goal, to wear my own hair out and to be natural. You know, I do have a daughter, and so those type of things came into play as well. Loving yourself, showing yourself 100%, being confident in who you are. And that's the type of vibe we're trying to give this year, guys, or this year, next year, and to beyond. But yes, so guys, I did a big chop. Some people about to see this video and they're about to be like, girl, why you did that? But I don't care. A big chop on my hair. Woo, feeling good. And you know, I do Excuse me, I told you guys it is so hot in here. It is like 90 degrees in New Jersey and I'm sweating, and to be honest, I'm so happy to get that wig off because when I'm here by myself, my husband's at home, honey, the wig is coming off. But yeah, I did a big chop. I washed my hair, when was that? On Monday. Today is Wednesday, June the 30th. Today is, but I washed my hair Monday and I moisturized and stuff like that. I probably got to put a little more oil in it, and when I get in the shower, I get wet it. But this is what it looks like. I just chopped all of it off. All of this is natural, like my growth of what because I couldn't do a total like shave it all off. I kind of let some of like the new growth, like I kind of let some of my natural hair go out and I waited, and then I chopped off all the relaxers. So I have some kind of length to work with. Because yeah, I just couldn't really see myself with completely no hair and like a buzz cut. Sorry. And so I am very happy with my decision. This is my hair. I have it in like little twists all over. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do no heat on my hair, guys. Not even straighten it. When I do a trim, I just trim my edges and I can kind of tell, you know, what needs to be trimmed at the end. And I'm doing that. Not putting any heat in my hair. I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to be doing all these styles because, to be honest, that's my issue. I love to try different styles. I love to straighten my hair. I love to do this to my hair, do that to my hair, and I'm a do-it-yourselfer. I am a true do-it-yourselfer, and that is why I really want to start a YouTube channel. I would try pretty much any hairstyle to do it myself. And then when it doesn't work out, I go like, okay, hey, I could pay for somebody to do it. But yeah, guys, I don't want to keep you too long, but I just wanted to share this with you guys. And I'm feeling very free. I'm so excited about this journey, and I will do videos here and there updating you guys on my progress. But yeah. And some of the things I'm going to be using on my journey, guys, I'm using the fenugreek seeds because, honey, everybody and their grandmother on Instagram is talking about these fenugreek seeds. I am just going to be making a hair oil with them. Yeah, I'm doing the fenugreek seeds. I'm doing the oil with that. If you're interested in seeing a video of how I'm creating the oil and doing this, but this promotes it promotes hair growth and minimize shedding and all that. I got this off of Amazon, and I'm doing the moringa moringa powder. I got that as well, but what I'm doing again, I'm making a hair butter, making an oil, and that's what I've done twice already. I made like a little I did like a little treatment on my hair, added it in with my deep conditioner, let it sit for an hour. So yeah, guys, these are some of the things I'm going to be using on my healthy hair journey. Let me know if you guys seen these products and if you'd like to know more about them. I will list a few YouTubers who got inspiration from for these products if you want to check out their videos to learn more about it, because I am just diving into it. So I haven't seen how I'm going to react to it or how my body or my hair, you know, takes to it. So I can't really tell you guys, but I'll show some videos of people who have been using it for a long time now. But all right, guys, until next time, thank you so much. And I would love it if you give me this video a thumbs up, and let's chat about healthy hair in the comments. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.